Now, first question. Complete this sentence. Donald Trump is the first president in 168 years not to have...
Oh. Come on, anyone.
Not to have what?
A trace of common decency.
Empathy.
Empathy.
Charm.
Charm.
I
Anybody?
think these are all too obvious. I'm
Yeah.
going to go with not to have the ability to pee standing up.
Wow.
So, since 1850?
Washington?
Since 1850. What happened in
right.
1850?
Coronation Street started.
It's all the whole show is about.
Oh, pet animals. Pet.
Pets.
Pets?
He's the first president not to have a pet in the White House.
He's got Melania.
They all had pets. Thomas Jefferson had 2 bear cubs. Benjamin Harrison had 2 opossums called Mr. Reciprocity and Mr. Protection.
What?
Franklin D. Roosevelt had a Great Dane, rather confusingly called President. Herbert Hoover's son, Alan, had a pair of alligators. Teddy Roosevelt, I think, gets the prize for best presidential pet owner. 9 dogs, 2 ponies, 2 cats, a hen, a lizard, a blue macaw, a garter snake named Emily Spinach, named by his daughter Alice because it's as green as spinach and as thin as my Aunt Emily. A small bear, a piebald rat, a pig, a rabbit, a laughing hyena, a barn owl, a one-legged rooster and 5 guinea pigs. He also had 6 children, which seems a lot, and a badger called Josiah. He also had a pony called Algonquin, who was so beloved by the president's son, Archie, that when he was sick in bed, his brothers Kermit and Quentin brought the pony up in the lift.
Who'll bring the pony up to the room now? Who's going your pony?
I don't think Mother would allow that.